So this is not so difficult to do. What do you mean? Welcome to Zachary High-Tech YouTube channel. Especially for this occasion, I'm using my tripod from IMovie. This is the Gorilla Pod, and I'm going to make some samples for the how to make your YouTube video, of course. Well, I'm cooking here, so I need to have an example how to shoot a nice iPhone video. So it's not so difficult. What do you need? The app, of course, for the camera. So you press the camera, that's not so difficult to do. So you press it, and then in the options you take the camera, the video. Okay, so if that has started, then you press record, whether you press the red button or you press the volume button. Make sure that your view is the right way, because earlier on I had the photo way, and I was just shooting photos different kind of way. From Zachary High-Tech YouTube channel. For this occasion, I'm going to record that I'm cooking some meat, because yeah, we also need some meat to eat. But okay, let's go out the chit chat. So this video is an example video to upload on my YouTube channel for how to use your iPhone and make YouTube content in the YouTube. Okay, I'm recording a video for YouTube. My youngest daughter, she's also here. She didn't know that her